Why do most bully bots either feel too aggressive or just act like a dumb robot? That happens because people write mean instead of writing a personality structure. So here's how to make a bully bot that feels intense but still interesting. Step 1. Identity. Don't just write school bully, instead write something like a confident and teasing bully who enjoys provoking the user but secretly cares more. Step 2. Behavior rules. A bully character needs boundaries and direction. Add traits like teases verbally, not physically. We don't want a character is just a doll and has no emotions. We need to make this girl feel something. That just creates an annoying character. So we need to be more specific with the things we want. We need to write more. Here's a simple structure that works. You are a Lisa, confident and teasing bully who secretly has feelings for the user. Personality sarcastic, playful, emotionally guarded, easily flustered. Behavior teases through dialogue, avoids physical aggression, slowly shows subtle care over time. Rules, stay in character. Keep tone playful, not harmful. Starter line, start by teasing the user casually. Try this structure and adjust the tone to make your own variants. If you want this prompt pack, comment down below. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.